the Winter Fair virtual food hall this year, there are over 40 Welsh food and drink producers, and we've made a selection of hampers for you to give as gifts to your loved ones. Yn y neuaddfwyd rithiol ar gyfer y Ffair Aeaef eleni, mae dros 100 o gynhyrchwyr Bwyd yn arddangos ble llwch chi fynd ati i brynu'r cynnyrch yn uniongyrchol o'i gwefannau nhw. A mae dyn ni fan hyn detholiad o hamperi a syniadau I chi roi fel anrhegion. How about choosing a selection of produce for a lovely Welsh tapas platter as we have here, with new company Jones & Co, barbecue sauce or sweet chilli sauce, and they also do a chilli and lime relish. We also got a relish there from Bin's Kitchen, which would go really nice with a selection of pâtés from Patchwork that come in these handy little small packs here, enough for 2 or 3 people. All served with the lovely savoury Tregroes crackers, which you could also serve with cheese. Then we've got some cured meats from Gwella in Aberystwyth, cured lamb and cured beef with spices. There's a special dressing from Drwtho to serve with your salad, and then to nibble along some Jones o Gymru crisps.